just keep it simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay. Ready to go. That's made a nice sound out of it, isn't it? That little thing. Where did you get the bits from then? Where did you get the actual...
That was from Amazon.
Ah. It's definitely got a bit of baffle in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brilliant.
It sounds so gorgeous when you're going down the road. It's got like a beefy...
Real grunt, yeah, when it's
Yeah.
in a high, maybe a high gear sort of
Yeah,
thing, and
yeah.
you're in third gear or something, yeah.
Yeah, it's got a nice
Fantastic.
grunt to it.
Oh, nice one. Yeah. It's what year is this from? Is it 90?
Best plate.
Ooh, whatever that is.
98.
90 something?
98.
98, right,
So
yeah.
it's 20,
yeah.
20 year old, 21 year old.
Right. Yeah. My cat is 20. No, 21 year old.
Yeah.
Yeah, because mum's 90. Yeah. Here at Bourne Bike Night. They're just going round. Wait a sec. Catty. You doing the same? That's great, isn't it? That's monster handlebars. Love those handlebars. We got fantastic evening. Ooh.